Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Supabase to Lovable. Start by opening the Lovable project where you want to connect Supabase. Make sure the project is fully loaded so you can access all the settings without delay. Once you are inside the project dashboard, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You will see the name of your project displayed there. Click on the project name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your project settings. From this drop-down menu, find and select the option called Connectors. Click on it to continue. After clicking Connectors, a new panel will appear showing a list of available integrations that you can connect to your project. At the top of this panel, you will see a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Supabase. As you type, the list will filter and show Supabase as one of the available connectors. Once you see Supabase in the list, click on it. You will now see an option labeled Enable for Workspace. Click on Enable for Workspace to begin the connection process. At this point, a Supabase login page should appear on your screen. I have already connected my account before, that's why it's not showing the login page. But you will see it right here. Enter your login details and sign in to your Supabase account. After logging in, you will be asked to select the organization you want to connect. Choose the correct organization from the list. Then click on Authorize to grant access. Once authorization is complete, Supabase will be successfully connected to your Lovable project. Thanks for watching.